Hello students, in this video we are going to study case study based questions. We are going to discuss one case here. So case here is, a prism is a portion of a transparent medium bounded by two plane faces inclined to each other at a suitable angle. A ray of light suffers two refractions on passing through a prism and hence deviates to a certain angle from its original path. And you have to attempt all the questions which are directly or indirectly related to this case. It means they are related to refraction of light through a glass prism, or if it is refraction of white light, they can be related to dispersion of white light also. So let us just recall what we have done before. Now I have drawn a simple diagram here. Okay, and you can see that white light is incident on a glass prism, that is incident ray is white in color, and it splits into 7 colors after passing through a prism. Now here I have shown only 2 rays, extreme colors I have shown. See, at first point when light strikes a prism, the change of medium takes place. Light travels from rarer medium into denser medium. So, because of change in speed, refraction takes place. But since white light is composed of 7 colors and different colors, they have different speed in glass, so they will bend by different amounts, okay, as according to their speeds. So, finally, this results as different colors have different speeds in glass, so this results in splitting of white light into 7 colors. Now, on the other side, AC side, again the change of medium takes place. So again the ray bends. Now first they were traveling from rarer to denser medium. Now it is denser to rarer. So if you draw the normal, you will see that the rays are bending away from the normal. First they were bending towards the normal. Okay. Now, so for simplicity, I have not shown the 7 colors. I have only shown the extreme colors, violet and red. If we place a screen on the other side of the prism, we get a band of 7 colors called as spectrum of white light. Okay? We know that although twice the refraction takes place in different ways, first towards the normal, second away from the normal, but still in both the cases the rays are bending towards BC side, which is called as base of the prism. Base of the prism is a side opposite to angle of prism A. And hope you remember, angle of prism is the angle between the two refracting surfaces here, AB and AC of the prism. Okay, the dotted incident line indicates the dotted line, okay, which indicates that is the direction of incident light. So now let us read the questions. The first question is, for which color angle of deviation is minimum? Red, violet, green, blue. For this you should know what is angle of deviation, then only you can find out it is minimum for which color. Now, angle of deviation is the angle between the incident ray and the emergent ray. We know that if we produce this emergent ray backwards, we will get the smaller angle, that is angle of deviation for red color. If we produce this violet color backwards, angle between the incident ray and the violet ray will give us angle of deviation for violet color. So it is the angle by which the emergent ray is deviated from the incident ray. Okay, the question is, it is minimum for which color? We know that red color has bent the least. So angle of deviation will be minimum for red color and it will be maximum for violet color. Okay. Hope you have got your answer now. For which color angle of deviation is minimum? For red color. Now let us move to the next question. Now the next question is, when white light moves through glass, there are 4 options. You have to choose a correct option. All colors have same speed. Red and violet colors have same speed. Violet color has more speed than red. Red color has more speed than violet. Let us try to find out the answer here. Students, you must be knowing that all the 7 colors have same speed in air or vacuum, they have same speed. In the glass, all of them have different speed. And this refraction or bending takes place because of change in speed of light. And this bending takes place because of change in speed. Change means here decrease in speed because maximum speed is in vacuum. Or here when we compare these two media, this is glass prism, this is air. So maximum speed, if we compare among two, greater speed is here. So speed gets changed means it gets reduced and hence bending takes place. So minimum bending is of red color. It means minimum change or minimum decrease is of red color. It means maximum decrease for violet color. So red color has more speed than violet color. Let us look at the options. I hope you have understood. Since minimum bending is there, so minimum change. So minimum change means minimum decrease in speed. So minimum decrease in speed means this red color has maximum speed in glass and violet has minimum speed. Hope it is clear. So here the correct option will be D. Red color has more speed than violet. Now the next question is, when white light moves through a glass prism, the physical quantity that does not change is 4 options: speed of light, wavelength of light, frequency of light, velocity of light. Now we know A option is not possible as we have discussed just now that speed of light changes. In different media it is different. Since speed changes, so velocity of light definitely would change. Now let us discuss wavelength and frequency. Students, if you remember, there is one relation V is equal to F lambda, where V is speed of wave, F is frequency of wave and lambda is wavelength of wave. Light is also a wave. When light travels from one medium, any wave travels from one medium into another, this remains constant. What changes is velocity or speed and wavelength. So here we can say speed changes, wavelength changes, but frequency remains constant. So when we look at the 4 options, we know that speed will change, so velocity will change, wavelength will change. C. Frequency of light remains constant when it travels through the glass prism. Now the last question is, the refractive index of glass is minimum for red, violet, green, blue. If you remember the relation of refractive index with the is minimum for which color? So if you remember the different formula for refractive index, you can easily give the answer. Okay, red, violet, green, blue. Now you know that red and violet are extreme colors. So chances are out of these two, one will be the correct answer. So you have to find out whether green, blue, no, they won't be because they are lying between the two colors. Okay, so the refractive index of glass is minimum 4. Now you know students that refractive index formula, one of its relation is this. Suppose refractive index for red color for the same given pair of media is C upon VR, where VR is C upon VR, where C is speed of light in vacuum and VR is speed of light in glass. So this will be the formula for red color, and let us say this is for violet color. Now we have already seen that violet, this is what? Speed of red light in glass. This is speed of violet light in glass, and we have just seen that speed of red light is maximum in glass. Since N is inversely proportional to V, since VR is less than VV, so NR will be greater than NV. NR is greater than NV. And what is the question here? Question is, the refractive index of glass is minimum for definitely for the color which has maximum speed in glass, that is red color. Since red color N is C upon V, since red color has maximum speed, the refractive index will be minimum for red color. Hope you have understood all the MCQs, students. So we'll continue. These are the MCQs based on the case study. So we'll continue with such more videos. Okay, goodbye students. Thank you.